Hi, I'm Riya.
Hi, my name is Erwin Jose.
I am Kiran.
I'm a recent graduate from Model Engineering College.
I graduated recently from TK College of Engineering.
I'm a recent graduate from St. Joseph College of Engineering and Technology.
Joining KeyValue is my first step into solving real-world problems with an amazing team.
So before joining KeyValue, I was just a student scraping past exams and assignments. Right now, I'm here at KeyValue, learning real things that make real impact.
I've always wanted to work with KeyValue. Now that I got in, feels real and exciting. About the training, I was expecting it to be pretty basic, like just to cover the theory concepts.
But to my surprise, from day one itself, we were learning concepts by actually building the models.
We pretty much moved from the basic concepts like the attention mechanism, the transform architecture, the CNN, to practical tools like LangChain and LangGraph.
Starting from perceptrons all the way to neural networks, CNNs and LSTMs. And within a week, we were building working prototypes.
Oh yeah, building an agent at the start was actually very intimidating.
But once we got into the hands-on sessions for LangChain and LangGraph, things really started to click.
Basically, at the end of the AI training, we had to build a project by brainstorming an idea. The project we built was an voice-based AI agent to manipulate the system settings.
But then the way we were taught to build these models were very innovative and creative.
The mentors were incredible. They were super patient and always ready to walk us through all the tricky parts.
We didn't know if that was possible with the tech we had, but the seniors were really helpful by implementing that.
Plus, we were also introduced to no-code tools like NA10 and Flowwise, which really helped me visualize and understand.
And a big shout out to the mentors for introducing us to these tools to enable us to understand these models much more clearly.
Yes, I've used ChatGPT before, but learning about transformers and attention mechanism gave me a whole new level of appreciation for how it actually works.
I use ChatGPT almost every single day, like everybody else, and I was always wondering how it works internally. Like it felt like magic how ChatGPT is able to understand what I'm saying, even though half of my prompt is gibberish.
LLM models like ChatGPT or Claude are just token predictors. They are just predicting the next probable word which comes after a particular sentence or a sequence of words in a sentence. The main problem of this approach is that the LLM can sometimes confidently output false information.
It always felt like magic to me, but during these sessions I was able to get a glimpse of how ChatGPT works internally, and it was such an eye-opening experience for me.
We also got to play around with embedding models in vector databases like ChromaDB, and not just play around with it, we got to see how it actually works under the hood, which was honestly super cool.
Working on these simple AI models have really got me excited about building larger AI models in the future.
The training gave me a solid foundation in everything from neural network architecture to RAG implementations, and I can't wait to see how these concepts translate into real-life applications.
After the training, I've been put into the AI team, where the training basically covered all the basic foundations that we need.
I want to keep learning more about these AI concepts and work in projects that can solve very simple yet complex problems that we face in our day-to-day lives.
Still have to learn many more things from the team as well as the seniors. I'm looking forward to working with them and contributing to real-world products.
Feels like I've stepped into something really exciting, and I can't wait to dive deeper into this world of AI.
I'm really looking forward to contributing to this very exciting space.